this our capstone project from Humber College. So today, me and my team members have joined. So let me introduce my team members as well. Today we are joined by Shraddha, myself Sumit, Darshil, and Mahima. And our sponsor for the project is Sun Life, who came to us with a problem, saying that as you know, it's an industry-wide problem to migrate a legacy application that has been running for years in the AWS tenant. So to get a better understanding and better visualization into the AWS tenant, we have created a solution which provides a holistic and better view for the stakeholders to understand what decisions they have to take in the future to migrate these applications and understand the end of life of their respective runtimes. So the benefits of this solution is to provide a better planning so that they can add their budgets, properly manage their budgets as well to migrate these applications and take a proactive approach to to managing these applications. So let me proceed to Mahima, where she will explain the architecture diagram of the solution.
Hello everyone. So in this architectural diagram, we have this AWS inventory setup, which consists of three AWS services: AWS Glue, RDS, and Lambda. Here we will be fetching the metadata of these services in a CSV file through Lambda functions. And again, these Lambda functions will manipulate the data and fetch the end of life data, and it will compare that end of life data with an API as well, and again append the data in the S3 bucket itself. Now the appended CSV file is now fetched by the Amazon Athena service. Like, there are two visualization boards we have used. One is the Grafana and the other one is the Tableau. Tableau is an additional interactive dashboard we created. And in addition to all these dashboards and services, we have also added a feature of the notification, that is the Amazon SNS service, which notifies the app owners about the expiry of the services.
So yeah, hi guys, these are the Lambda functions that we discussed earlier. So mainly we have three. One is Glue EOL with SNS, the other one is Lambda, and the third one is RDS EOL with SNS. So let's open and check one of them. So in the Lambda, we have basically used a Python code wherein, just a moment. So yeah, initially we have imported all the packages that we need, and then we have just a moment. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, the first function here is, can you scroll up a little? Yeah. So the first function here is to get the end of life data, wherein we are trying to fetch the data from the end of life API. And just to make the code faster, we are also caching it. So let's scroll down a bit. And the second function is to send the notifications, which is basically integrating our Lambda with the AWS SNS. And we are checking for a condition wherein if the services is about to expire, then we send out an email notification and we'll see the body below. The third function here is to uh, just calculate the years and months difference and to create it in the particular format, which is quite readable for the visualization part. And the next function is the main Lambda handler, which does all the computation, and it just splits the columns and makes it into the data that is needed just to compare it. And if we scroll down, then we see the body, the email body. So in here, we can see that the message lines here, this is how the email is going to go. And then we have also customized, which puts the runtime and the owner name and all of that. So that's for the Lambda. And similarly, we have the other two as well. And now let's just see. So this is the main computation part. And at the end, we have created dashboards just to showcase all of them. So AWS Grafana is the main one, but also we have created a Tableau dashboard, which is an interactive dashboard. So let's just see how the Tableau one looks. Can we maximize it? Yeah, sure. So this is how the RDS one looks, wherein it just shows what engines we have and what is the expiry. This all data comes from the computation that we have did in the Lambda, and then we have a pie which shows how many owners have how many, and then it's all the detailed data. So yeah, that's how a Tableau looks. And on the right side, we have owners and the engines, and we can just filter out on them. Can we just try removing MySQL engine? Yeah, so everything changes. So all of this is integrated. So whatever changes we make in the filter, so it's gonna show here. So yeah, that's all about Tableau. Let's go to Grafana now.
Hello, hi. Thank you, Shraddha. So apart from the open source Tableau dashboard, we have a Grafana dashboard, which is managed by AWS. And the thing is, we have created a Athena table, which fetches the data from the CSV file, and it will create Athena tables. And this Grafana dashboard is connected to the Athena tables. That way, the Grafana dashboard is getting the data. So in this dashboard, as we can see, we have Lambda tag, we have RDS engine, and we have Glue panels as well. So we have three panels for each services. So we have total 9 panels. As we can see, we can filter the tags based on the primary honor. Um, and if we can edit any of the panel, can we edit any of the panel? Yeah, so if we can go and edit the panel, we can query the data according to our need, according to our visualization requirements. Yeah, that's all for the Grafana dashboard. Like based on this querying the data, we can visualize and we can retrieve information as we want. Thank you so much.
So yeah, guys, thank you for seeing the video. Do meet us in the Capstone Expo. We'll be happy to be showing you in person. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.